Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add adjustments to your pictures on the Unfold application, such as brightness, contrast, shadows and so on. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the projects button down below and select a picture. Tap on it and click on the edit button. Then at the top of this section, click on the adjust section, and the first option is the brightness that you can adjust by the help of the scale down below. Then the next one is the contrast that you can also select. Then the shadows, highlights, saturation, warmth, tint, and the grain as well. And the last option is the fade that you can select by the help of the scale. If you are done with all of these adjustments, click on the check mark icon in the right side of the screen, and here you can find the results. So as you can see, it has appeared at this section as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.